This is a quick tutorial, how to close the current accounting year in CY Enterprise. Click Accounting. Then click Journal Entries. Then click on the green plus icon, Create, at the top of the left top corner. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to the word Journal Entries. At the drop-down list, choose the end of year. In the middle of top page at the Date field, enter the date of the end of the year, for example the 31st of December 2018. Then navigate to the bottom right corner of the window and click on the blue icon with Name, Fill Initial Balance. In this window, all the end-of-year balances will appear. Now click OK. This have created a new journal. The journal is posted. You can find the journal report in the journal list for the whole year of 2018. The year is now closed. We may double-click to open the report. We can inspect, print, export. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.